guys, what's up? And welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be making some DIY slime and squishy school supplies. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. I did also post a new video over on my second channel, and in case you guys didn't know, I do have a second channel. You can check it out. The link will be down below. And before I do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. And now, with that all being said, let's get started with today's video. For the first DIY, I'm going to be making a slime notebook. So for this, I have a plain composition notebook, and I made this oval template that I'm going to just stick onto the cover. So I'm going to open up the cover and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting out the oval shape using an X-Acto knife. Once you've cut out an oval, you can go ahead and start painting your notebook cover. The first thing I'm going to do is actually cover up the side so that I don't get paint on it. And then I'm going in with some acrylic paint and I'm just going to paint the cover. So now you just want to let the paint dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to start making the slime. So I have some white glue here and I'm going to pour that into a bowl. Because I'm making a pineapple, I'm going to color the slime using some yellow acrylic paint. So I'm just making like a super basic and plain slime. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. Once you've made the slime, you will need a plastic baggie, and you just want to pop the slime into the little plastic bag. By the way, it's actually really fun to like squish the slime in the bag. Back to the notebook, I'm going to open up the cover and I'm going to glue the slime bag in place using some hot glue. And the final step is to add the details using some acrylic paint. So I'm using some green to draw on the leaves, and then I'm going to use black acrylic paint to draw on the face. One of the things that I really like about this notebook is that you can open it up and you can take out the slime whenever you want and you can play with it. And there is the pineapple slime notebook all completed. For the next DIY, I'm going to be making a watermelon squishy sharpener. The first thing you're going to need is a small container, and I'm going to open up the container, and using my hot glue gun, I'm going to basically melt a hole. This is what it should look like, and then obviously you're going to need a sharpener. So using some hot glue, I'm going to glue the sharpener onto the lid. Once that's done, you want to set that aside, and now we're going to make the watermelon squishy. Here I have some memory foam, and using a pen, I'm going to trace out a triangle shape. Using my pair of scissors, I'm going to start cutting it out. So we now have our watermelon slice. Now we need to make room for the sharpener. So I'm gonna put it on top and I'm gonna trace out the shape, and then using my pair of scissors, I'm gonna start cutting it out. So you just wanna keep cutting it until the container can fit. As you can see, I'm just popping in the container. Now for the fun part, you can start decorating your squishy using some fabric paints. I am making like a watermelon, so I'm gonna paint the bottom using some green. And then I'm going to paint the remaining squishy using some red. Between the red and green, I'm going to add a white thin line. And of course, because this is a watermelon, I'm going to draw on the seeds. And finally, I'm gonna add a cute face. And here is the watermelon squishy sharpener all completed. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.